You are most definitely going through some type of transition. Some call it the fifth dimension, where we are raising our vibration and becoming more spiritual and intuitive beings. Now, AI is definitely going to play a part in this role, but I just want to introduce myself really quick. My name is David, and I started a YouTube channel revolving around the photo booth rental business, and it's been a success, great success, and I'm very, very grateful for that. But now I feel like I need to really balance the spiritual side of me because there's a calling, something that I've been gravitating towards. So I decided to take a trip out to Sedona with a little hummingbird that I found. So we carpooled all the way to Sedona, where I did a lot of meditation, a lot of prayer, and Sedona is a very, very, very spiritual place. I recommend that everyone in the world visits at least once during their lifetime. And as you guys can see, I met with the Native Americans, and we really started focusing on the energies and traumas and just the clearing out that dense energy. As you guys can see here, I took a photo of my aura. It's called an aura image. And at the time I'm actually, to this day, I'm still taking care of a baby hummingbird, and the aura that I was putting out is this blue color. This blue color represents me being a healer, a person with a big heart, taking care of others. And as you guys can see, my chakras right here, my biggest chakras right now are going to be my heart chakra and my throat chakra. Now, the throat chakra, we all know it's for communicating, and the heart is basically just a person who has a big heart for the rest of the world. And I'm starting to develop my crown chakra, my third eye. Now, where I fall short is my sacral chakra and my root chakra as well. And so that is something that I need to work on because I truly need to ground myself. Guys, this channel is about to just be one of the most coolest chapters of my life, and I just want to bring you on this journey. Go ahead and subscribe. I will be putting together more helpful videos that I hope inspire you and motivate you to be a greater being during this lifetime.